Hi, it's Hannah, and today I'm really excited to be partnering with Super Chic Lacquer to bring you these fun zigzag nails using their awesome Super Holo Spill the Tea collection. I'll also be showing you swatches of each polish, plus I'm giving away 4 sets of the entire collection, so let's get started. First, apply Super Chic's Bring It On base coat, which is an amazing chip-proof nail protectant varnish that blocks staining. Next, apply Exposed for the base color. For my other nails, I just mixed and matched the other colors. Now apply 3 sharp angles cut from painter's tape to the nail. Apply Dirty Laundry over the entire nail, then carefully remove the tape right after. Do the same for the other nails with different shades on each. Finally, apply Super Chic's Marvel Liquid Macro Top Coat to add an ultra gloss finish that is super fast drying and will stay glossy for weeks. So that's it for the tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed it. Let's get into the swatches. The Spill the Tea collection has 6 gorgeous super holo shades. This first one is called Exposed, and it's an intense raspberry linear holo. These polishes all contain highly saturated colors that may cause staining, so it's really important to use a high quality base coat. Super Chic's Bring It On base coat is perfect since it's a color bonder and stain blocker. Next up is Juicy, which is a vibrant, deep, tangy orange. The camera really does not do these polishes justice since they are even better in person. Now we have Queen of Tea, which is a bright, light-catching sour apple green. All of these shades are 1 coaters, which is amazing, but I did apply 2 coats and a top coat after. Dirty Laundry is a gorgeous and unique swampy teal. Also, if you're interested in grabbing some Super Chic lacquer, you can use my code Hannah for 10% off your entire order at superchiclacquer.com. This one is called Spill It, which is a very pretty cotton candy baby blue. And last but not least is Throwing Shade, which is an intense smoky indigo blue with a hint of periwinkle. I hope you enjoyed seeing all of these swatches, so why don't we get right into the giveaway? Entering is super easy. All you have to do is be subscribed to me and Super Chic Lacquer by heading over to their channel that I will link below. Next, head over to superchiclacquer.com and pick out your favorite shades. Then come back here and comment what they are. 4 winners will win the entire Spill the Tea collection, and this is open worldwide. Just make sure you're subbed to us both, since 2 winners will be picked on my channel and 2 on Super Chic's channel. Winners will be randomly drawn on August 10th and contacted by me, plus posted on my Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram stories. As always, thanks so much for watching and good luck!